Hey, how is it going, folks? Today I am going to walk you through a super simple workflow that basically lets you turn your long videos into a steady stream of short, ready-to-post clips, all on autopilot. Just think about it. You have got a YouTube long form, a webinar, or a recorded interview for your podcast, and you really want that steady social momentum on places like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and LinkedIn. But you never seem to have the actual time to chop up, add captions, design thumbnails, and schedule everything manually. You either end up hiring an expensive editor, or you just half-heartedly post once a month and hope for the best, which we both know does not really move the needle. That is where the tool I am sharing today comes in, and I am going to show you how to get this set up so you do not have to babysit the process anymore. So picture this. I dropped a 1-hour deep dive video on a complex topic, and the system automatically finds the punchy moments, trims them into viral-ready clips, creates captions, suggests hashtags, and even schedules them. All of that happens with just a few clicks, and I have been using it on a few channels, and it has literally saved me days of actual work every single month. Let me break down the end-to-end flow so you can see exactly how it works in practice. First off, you just head to your dashboard and create a project for your long video file. You can simply upload your master file directly or just link the YouTube video URL because both methods work perfectly fine. From left to right, the process is incredibly straightforward. You pick a clip selection mode, set a schedule, tweak your creative templates, and then connect your social accounts to auto-publish. When you choose the automatic edit mode, the system runs an AI pass over the full video to detect high engagement moments like laugh lines, topic hooks, and Q&A sessions. It effectively analyzes audio peaks, speaker changes, and even semantic cues so the resulting clips feel natural and engaging for your audience. You can easily preview the suggested clips, rearrange them, or just accept them all in bulk to save even more time. The system also generates suggested clip titles and on-screen captions automatically, which saves you from the tedious manual captioning work. Next up is the scheduling feature, where the platform gives you a content calendar to drag and drop your clips into specific posting slots. Want posts every other day at 5 p.m. That is totally done. Want weekday mornings for LinkedIn and weekend evenings for your short-form platforms? That is also completely doable. The auto-schedule feature lets the AI distribute your clips across optimal days and times based on engagement signals and the frequency you choose. Set your cadence just once and the platform keeps posting for you without you needing to open the app every single day. It is basically like having a social media manager that strictly follows the rules you have defined for your brand. The content calendar is your central place to manage everything, including rescheduling, editing captions, swapping thumbnails, or pausing a clip if you need to. The platform supports multiple social destinations, so you can publish the same base clip across all your channels with platform-specific tweaks. In my case, I set the same clip to post as a vertical video for one platform and a widescreen trimmed version for another. One thing people often underestimate is the importance of the thumbnail and that crucial first line of copy. The system auto-generates thumbnail options and headline text suggestions using a combination of visual cues from the clip and smart language models. If you want, you can easily swap in your own custom thumbnail or use the built-in editor to add text and logos to your branding. For the captions, the AI generates platform-appropriate versions and even suggests hashtags and mentions so you do not have to research them yourself. Now, let us run through the setup step by step so you can see just how quick this actually is. First, you upload your long-form video or simply paste the URL. Then you click the automatic edit button and let the system analyze your video. After you review the suggested clips, you can either accept all of them or fine-tune them if you want more control. Next, you choose your desired posting cadence, like every day or every 2 days, and connect your various social media channels. Finally, you just hit the schedule button and walk away while the machine does the hard work for you. You might wonder what is happening under the hood, and the answer is that the tool uses a mix of machine learning models to detect highlights and natural language models to draft your captions. If you are a bit technical, you can even upload a custom prompt for how it should clip your video, like asking for more drama, more quotable hooks, or longer context. You might ask, why not just use other editors? But a lot of creators currently default to traditional editors or a messy mix of different tools. Using separate tools for editing, exporting, and then uploading to a scheduler is scattered, slow, and honestly quite expensive. Some newer tools do auto-clipping but lack the scheduling features, which means you still need a separate additional service to handle the posting. This solution bundles the 3 core needs, which are auto-editing, scheduling, and a content calendar into one single clean workflow. If you are comfortable with a bit of scripting, there are even ways to further optimize this workflow, such as tagging your episodes with themes to influence the clip selection. The platform even includes templates for different show types like interviews, tutorials, or live stream highlights, which I highly recommend using to start. These template presets include caption styles, intro and outro trims, and thumbnail layouts so you get a cohesive look across all your content. To give you a quick example of what I did, I grabbed a 45-minute interview, ran the auto edit, and the system suggested 12 solid clips. I accepted 8 of them, tweaked the captions for my specific tone, set it to post every 2 days, and connected my accounts. 2 weeks later, I had 8 posts live and the engagement was steady with absolutely no manual uploads or late-night editing sessions. If you are someone who knows you should be posting consistently but keeps running out of time, this kind of automation is a total game changer. It definitely does not replace a thoughtful content strategy, but it removes all the friction of turning long-form footage into snackable, optimized clips. If you want to try it out, check the description for a link, start with a free trial, and run a single video through the process to see how it feels. And hey, if you have questions or want me to walk through your first run, drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. Alright, that is it for now, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more workflows like this, and I will see you in the next one.